Did you put diff lock in? Oh, piece of cake. Oh, now I gotta walk through the puddle.
I can give you a ride.
I'd wash my feet off in it, but I don't think it's any cleaner than the dirt and mud I have. Well, as I'm sure you guys have guessed from the title, this is going to be the second day of the P5 Jive. Fortunately, I only had one other P5 make it out for the ride today, and he was late because he was coming from pretty far away, got caught up in traffic. So a lot of this here for the first part of the day was just me riding by my lonesome, though as you can see here, I did jump in with some Jeeps from time to time. AOAA does have a lot of Jeep trails, and this weekend there was a lot of Jeeps out, probably more Jeeps than side-by-sides and ATVs. But even though I was riding by myself for a good part of this, I still had a fun time, and like I said, James is going to be here later on and we'll get to do some good riding with him. So don't forget to like and subscribe, and please enjoy the video. Rock climbing. Mighty Mouse is a beast in the rocks. Just climbs so well. Especially with that torque locker. I do have an axle clicking though. That's never a good sign. Right up and over, not even spinning a tire. Oh, gotta love it. I can't tell which side it is that's clicking. Here we go. Not too bad, nothing little Mighty Mouse can't handle. Look, look, look. Expecting due to traffic. We still got a good couple hours. We can do some riding though. Alright, this is the guy I got stuck in yesterday. I'm gonna see if I can get through it. The X4 didn't make it. That was easy. That's nasty. Oh, look at my feet. That's nasty. Yeah, I tried the X4 hitting it this way, and I got right by that tree and I just sat there. And it took me like probably a good 3 minutes just slowly on the throttle, spinning in reverse, and I just inched my way out and got out without winching, but this guy crawled right through it.
Yeah.
Sweet. I'm so happy that Almighty Mouse made it through that mud hole. Sorry X4, but you're just not as awesome as Mighty Mouse. You got him beat on speed, but not go anywhere power. Guys, comment below if you agree. Huh. I don't know if you guys want to go down this or not. I don't remember it being this steep. I don't think it was like this the last time I was here. It looked like it's really washed out.
Wow.
When I was here in winter, it wasn't like this.
Yeah, it's like washed out on an angle. I mean, I really have to step.
Yeah, I mean, this guy won't have a problem, but I'm wider, and you being still stock. I mean, I guess when you get out and look at it, it's not, you're gonna have to ride the
inside line here on the left.
Yeah, actually, you'd probably be better off to straddle it. Come right down the middle.
Yeah, right down the middle, but stay to the left a little bit. Because of the...
Boy.
Yeah, I can make that.
I'll try her first. I don't think this guy's not gonna have a problem with it. Oh, easy, piece of cake. It wasn't that bad once you started down over.
No.
But when you get up to it and you can't see it, it's like, whoa, how steep is that?
Yeah.
Once you start down over, you're like, man, that's not that bad. rocky section through there we just came. Stock 500 at James. Coming right through it as good as Mighty Mouse. This is a neat little section of trail. Trouble. Over here we have the whaleback. Another side, you gotta walk to it though. When I was here at the winter, you really couldn't see much because everything was covered in snow. But I guess the rock here is supposed to look like a whale's back. Oh. I guess. I guess it's supposed to just be that.
That whole rock.
Yeah.
That definitely does.
You can see it. Yeah. It'd be neat though if there was like a geyser in it that would go off every once in a while.
Oh, that is neat.
Uh-huh. Just like a really rounded off shelf. There's a pretty nice view for you.
Yeah, that's a nice valley.
I'm heading us back towards the main entrance. This side closes at 4:30. You got to be out of this side. I need gas. Oh. So I'll go fill up. We got about an hour and a half, and we can ride on the other side. They don't close till 5:30 over there.
Okay.
So that's where I'm heading back to fill up, and we'll ride on the other side a bit. It's a little bit of dust.
A little bit.
Since you're the only other P5 that showed up, you get one of the giveaways.
Oh, cool.
That's a little chug box for in there. Same thing I have.
Oh, thanks.
Courtesy of Joe Kepler. So.
Nice.
So, and you'll have a nice little toolbox there, or little glove box in. Well guys, that's gonna do it for our trip here to AOAA this year. Got a little walk in after putting I think I figured about 90 miles worth of trail riding just today. So I needed to go for a good little stretch for losing our light. We're gonna go back to the camper, get cleaned up, go to bed, back home in the morning. But I hope you guys enjoy the videos from the first P5 Jive. Only had one other P5 out, but hey, it was worth it. Probably not the best trails for a stock Pioneer 500 anyway. You definitely, as rocky as they are, have some modifications done. At least some bigger tires. So anyway, thanks for subscribing, for all your support, and until next time, keep on riding.